The brand AROMASOUL sent me their upgraded diffuser here, and I wanted to do a quick comparison of these two models and show you the differences. The main thing that you can see right away is that the newer version has this light here at the bottom. Kind of cool. Kind of depends on if that's your vibe or not. Kind of like a brushed silver. Both are very, very heavy duty. I mean, these are like really, really solid, very good machines compared to some of the other diffusers that I've seen. And this one has more of like a ceramic coated, so a little bit different. You can operate both with a mobile app, which is such a nice feature. And the new one just has some different controls here that are slightly upgraded. So the first thing that I noticed is that it has a 24-hour setting, which the other one only goes up to 8 hours. And then it does have 4 levels here and 4 levels here. This actually changes the colors of the light. So that's kind of cool. So it doesn't have to be blue, or it could just be turned off altogether, which I think is nice because with the blue light, that wasn't really my vibe. These are both really, really good. So they both have the same size chamber on the inside, and these are going to scent like an entire floor of your house. They're really, really high quality. They have a metal chamber on the inside. They're completely waterless. The other one that I've tested, a different brand, had like a plastic chamber. So these are actually much nicer. You can see them both going there. Honestly, I really like both. I do like the cream color. I just like the way it looks in my house, but they're both beautiful. And I love how on the new one, it has a 24-hour setting. That is so cool. And the light is very cool as well. It'll be good little night light. Yeah, definitely worth checking these out.